Hello. Wait, where's my BGM? Is it? Why isn't that capturing audio? Hold on. Where's my usual BGM? This? Oh, there we go. Drop it a little bit down about here, I think. Maybe here. Alright. Today, we're in for a bit of a weird stream, not gonna lie. Not the usual. Even for a on the desk thing. I'm gonna be doing some maths. Cause why not? There's actually a reason for it. One is I just felt like I was getting my brain was getting old. Oh hey there, Base Prism, welcome. By coincidence you're here. Hey, that's a nice coincidence. But yeah, today I'm gonna be actually doing some maths. Cause I felt like I'm getting dumber and dumber as the years go by. My math skills just getting horrendous. So that's one. And two is, I don't know, for some reason I wanted to do this stream for a while. So I got a copy of this from the internet, which is an IGCSE book. So it's pretty much what we call in New Zealand fifth form. I think in US that's first year of senior high, I think. But anyway. So I'll be going through a little bit of this today, maybe an hour or so, and then see if I can get my math skills on board. I will be using a calculator because I won't be able to remember how to do frickin' cosines and sines and tangents off my back of my head. Oh wow, it's so blown out. Do I need to reduce the brightness a bit? But then can I read it? Okay. Yeah, it's readable, discernible. First chapter. Oh, the scroll is horrendous. First chapter is shapes and space. Is there a hand tool here? No. Anyway. Use and interpret the geometric terms, point lines, parallel, bearing, right angle, acute, obtuse, and reflect angles, perpendicular, similarity, and congruence. What? Congruence? I don't remember anything like that. What the hell? Back in my days in school would say, you're going to be carrying a calculator with you every day for life. Now we have smartphones. I know, right? We got... It's so funny. Even back then, like with normal phones, you could just do some basic calculations anyway. And like, if you like work at a register and stuff like that, like the register is pretty much a calculator, isn't it? Like, what's the freaking point of like banning kids using calculators? Is kind of pointless. And now with smartphones, kids don't even actually like enter in like the calculations in the calculator. They just Google it. And then Google gives you an answer. They'll probably use like, what's the thingy-maggy now? Gemini or something like that to ask for stuff. But yeah, anyway, here we go. Oh wow, look how old this is. Whoa, rendering. This is so old. Speaking about, are you going to carry a calculator along with you? Hold on, where is it? Where's that? Bro, where's it gone? What the hell? It's not going to render? Please. It's not rendering when I zoom in. There's a bit of text blob here that I wanted to show, which is so old school. Really? Ah, dang it. Zoom out until it renders. Freaking Firefox can't render PDFs properly. Damn it, you can't see that. You can't see what it says. It says, use a sharp HB pencil. Holy shit, who the frick actually carries a sharp HB pencil with them at all times? Do not press too hard. Render fail, I know, right? Do not press too hard. What is this? Freaking 5-year-olds? Man, it's so funny. Wait, do I actually need to be drawing? Oh shit. Use a protractor and ruler to draw full-size diagrams and measure the sides marked with letters. Oh my... I need to actually... I don't have a protractor with me. What the hell? Can I just math it? I don't have a compass. What the hell? Who the... I'm too old for this shit. I don't have a compass. Is there a protractor app? Hold on. No, that's fine. I don't carry a protractor and compass. I can't even spell protractor. Oh, there is a protractor app. But how do you use it? Or should I just skip this and actually go to some calculations rather than this? Because I think they're doing this so you can get a hold of how to, like, use a ruler and compare. Use a ruler and pair of compasses to make accurate drawings of these triangles. Yeah, it's so you can know some of the angular relationships in a triangle kind of thing. I think that's why they're asking you to do this. Nets. Only this time. Kids these days, is there an app for that? I mean, pretty much, right? Okay. At least I have a ruler. Like an actual physical ruler. Okay, I'm just going to draw a few of these. I'm not going to draw all of them. There's like 8 triangles. I'm not going to sit here and draw 8 triangles like an idiot. Okay, first one is... I got way too much of a small textbook for this and small desk space. 8 centimeters. By the way, yes, this is the one true measuring imperial. Really? 42, so 180, 42 will be what? 180 minus... Oh my... I need to do this. 136, okay. 136 degrees. 136. There you go. There is an app for it, but wait. There we go. Oh my god, this is horrible. Oh my god, this is horrible. It feels like I'm drawing on a freaking tablet. Who the hell actually draws this these days? Oh, that's horrible. That's about 42 degrees. You know what? I'm not gonna do the stupid drawing face. Actually makes me feel like I'm 12. $62. I can't hold my hand steady. Something like that. And then make the two intersect. And then they want this distance. which is about 6.5 centimeters. There you go. That's that exercise done. Screw this. Screw this actually drawing stuff with your hands for some reason and a protractor. I don't remember. Maybe I am just too old to remember. Because I remember doing lots of calculations, but not actually drawing stuff. Fun with your math, gonna go have a read. Nice, have a good evening too, Face Prism. Thanks for coming in and say hi. Okay, skip all this. Nets, if the cube here was made of cardboard and you cut out along some of the edges laid flat, you would have the net of a cube here as a net for a square-based pyramid. That thing. Which one of these nets below can be used to make a cube? Isn't it D? I need to picture this in my head. Does this thing have answers? Because that can fold, that can fold, that will fold all the way. Actually, A should be able to do it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So they'll have all 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the flap. Yeah, A should work. B should work. C won't work, and D will work. Number of opposite faces of a die adds up to 7. Take one of the possible nets for a cube from question 1 and show the number of dots on each face. Ooh. Ooh. So, this and this, if this is 1, this needs to be 6. Right, yep, 2, 5, and then 3 and 4, so 3 and 4. Right? Yeah, that shit looks right. Does this thing have answers? Without answers, I don't know if I'm right or wrong. Oh gosh, this doesn't, what the hell? This doesn't seem like a full book. No, it isn't a full book, isn't it? It's only got 33 pages. Dang it. I do have another one that I downloaded, so maybe. Oh, this only has 1 chapter. It's alright, let's go through this. As long as it's not like... Yeah, as long as it's not like weird practical stuff all the way through and there is actually some calculations involved. Because that's kind of the meat of the thing that I want to do. I need to look for... I can't like find textbooks that easily online, so maybe I do need to like look in Trade Me. I have been keeping an eye on Trade Me, but people want some horrendous money for textbooks for some reason. Man, once you've done with it's the thing with textbooks, I don't know why they're so expensive. Here we have started to draw the net of a cuboid, a closed rectangular box measuring 4 centimeter by 3 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Copy and complete the net. It's just what? Two lines. 1, 2, 3 lines. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I know it's horrendous, but it's just this part's missing. This diagram shows the net of a solid. Use a ruler and pair of compasses to draw the net accurately on paper or card. Draw some flaps. Actually, this is actually asking me to make a pyramid. Okay, square-based pyramid, that is. Cube can be made from 3 equal pyramids. Make 3 solids from the net shown. Okay, this is another cut in. I swear, I do not remember doing anything this practical on math classes. Okay, angles and facts. Angles add up to a point on 360. Angles on a straight line add up to 180. Angles of 90 is called a right angle. An acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angle is somewhere between 90 and 180. And reflex is greater than 180. Okay, now we're getting to some maths. Okay, number 1 is No, not 180, 360. Because it's a point. So, 140. Well, that's 290. So that's 50? No, wait, what? 150, right? Okay, I am really dumb right now. I need to do long. I feel so dumb. 140 plus 150, 360, 190, right? 107. I am so dumb. Wait, it's 70 degrees. What? Huh? That doesn't look like 70 degrees. It looks... What? Huh? Yeah, a point adds up to 360. So 150 plus 140 is 290. 360 minus 190 is 170. Okay, there we go. Oh, I feel so stupid. I feel so stupid. Okay. Okay, that's 360 minus 120 plus 140. So that's 260. So that's 100 degrees. Okay. 3 is 40, 90, 60. So 130, 290. So that's also 100. What? 130. 290. So that's... Alright, that's 70 degrees. $40, 60, 60 equals 260, 100 degrees. Okay. Okay, brain is maybe starting to work now. It's decided to give a fuck finally. 136, right? Yep. And then minus that will be 44? Double check with the calculator. It's not cheating, it's just making sure you are remembering things correctly. Good. I should probably keep it open on the calculator. 180 minus 58 plus 2 equals 100, so that's 80 degrees. Oh, what the f... So that's 40, isn't it? Because they're both x's here. This, it says 100, so yeah. Can I zoom in without the rendering crashing? Oh, it crashes. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Okay. That's very hard to see, but yeah. So that says 100, that and that says X on both of it. So it'll be the same angle. Likewise for this one. Question A. think that's a little bit more visible now. So that's 80 in HH, so that's just going to be 180. Like that. Which is 76, is it? Divided by 2, that would be 38 degrees. Just double check. 180, 84 divided by 2. I am an idiot. 48 degrees. Hey, and this is my calculators anyway. Okay. Get out of here, fly. Where the hell did that fly coming from? I think a few of my... Wait. Oh, I had to sneeze. A few of my... What is it? Insect net's got a hole in it, so I need to fix that. Oh wow, that's way better. Okay, 90. Divided by 3. 60, so that's 120 divided by 3, right? So that's 40 degrees. It's got to be. Whoops. Yep. Oh, wait, that's 11. 10. Oh, smart. So that's 180, 75, divided by 3, 35. Because it's 2x, not... So x is 35. Let's make it real obvious. And 2x is 70. Right? There we go. Calculations will match up. 11 is being a little bit clever. But I can beat that cleverness because in a point, it'll probably come through in a different lesson, but these two and these two are the same degrees. So A is 40 and B is 140 degrees. Because point A to B is a line, and then C and D is a line that intersects with each other, and then that's just how angles work. 12, likewise, Y will be 72, and X will be 180 minus 72 would be 98, is it? Let's just double check. Always double check. 98? Nope, 108. What an idiot. So it'll be 108. Easy. Triangles, missing angles. Yes, the sum of all angles in a triangle is 180. Let's do this. 1. And zoom in. So it's discernible on stream. Roughly everything renders without problem. There you go. 70 plus 60 is 130, so that's 50 degrees, right? Always double, triple check. Two. 45, 65, 110. So that's 70 degrees, right? Whoops. I can't use a calculator. 3. 37 plus 114 is 151, right? 180. 151. equals 9. 29 degrees? Is that right? Okay, good on that. 4. Look at this thing being cheeky. That 107, so that's 110, 150, so x is 30 degrees. Double, triple check on that answer, because why not? Go. This thing's being cheeky again. 145, 180, that's 145, 35. I believe it should be 35, 35. No, it isn't. Interesting. It almost looks like it should be an equilateral triangle, but looks could be deceiving, especially on a math book. Let's just double, triple check then. Yep, so that's 35 degrees plus 75 is 110, right? Yep, so A would be 70 degrees. Now it's doing a lot of this. 180 minus 72 would be 98, is it? 108. I keep missing the bloody 1. So it's 108 plus 30, 138. Wow, 180 minus 138 would be 42, would it? Yes, it is. Oh, bloody fly came back. Oh, there we go. So that's an equal. What's it? What's it? There's a word for it when the two sides of a triangle is equal. So that should be 40. Fucking fly. Get out of here, you weird fly. How the hell did that thing come in? I have a bloody insect barrier on it. Wait, what's that? 7. Okay, 8. A is 55. B is 55 plus 55 is 110, right? So 70. Looks so wrong. It looks so wrong. That is nowhere near 55 degrees, right? Can't be. It looks so wrong. But it has to be. Like, for example, 9 is a... Come on. Render. There we go. Even though these three sides do not look like it's matching, apparently it's matching. So that one is 60 degrees. Jeez, things are getting crazy over here. X should also be 122. Yeah. X is 122. Y though. So these two inner angles would be 180 minus 122. What's that? 58, is it? Yep, it's 58 each side. 116, so 180 It's 116, 64 degrees. That's that angle here is 64. 180 minus 64 would be 106, right? 116. I keep missing the weird tens and hundreds somewhere when I'm doing math in my brain. And this is kind of the reason why I want to do this, because math in my brain, like just calculations off the top of my head, was going so bad. So I need to put some, WD-40 in my brain, so to say, and this is the whole exercise of doing that. 180, so that's also 90. What the yeah, this diagram's so weird. How do you have a freaking perpendicular angle here and here and say these two? Can you even have a triangle like that? Actually, you can. Yeah, you can. I think you can. Yeah. And then it becomes the longest. Okay. So that's 90, 180, 60, 60, and that should be 140, right? 180 minus 90 is 90. Yep, so that's 90 degrees. And then 90 divided by 2, 45 each angle. Oh, 45, what an idiot. That's wrong. 45, so that's 195, 35. Oh, my brain. Hey, at least I got a calculator to correct me. No, rendering. What the blimey heck is this? Uh, 140, 240, 360 minus 240, sorry, is 120, right? I wasn't wrong that time. And then it would be 180 minus 120 to get the sum of these two angles, which is 60. So E is 30, right? Brackets. Yep, 30. Okay. Feels like I'm massaging my brain at this point. 13, 180, 77, 77. 77 plus 77 is 154, I want to say. Yeah, I was right that time. So it's 180 minus 154. Let me just try the calculation in my head first. 180 minus 154 should be 26. Yeah, nice. So that's 26. 180 minus 126 should be 154. Yeah, because it's just the freaking opposite. What an idiot. I didn't need to calculate that. That's 30 degrees, so that makes it 150 each side. Divided by 2 is 75. Not that rusty, aren't I? What the shit is this? That's 6x. So it's 30, right? X is 30. 2x is 60, and 3x is 90. And that should all add up to 180. Okay, that's good. 16. This is 38. So 38 plus 38 is 76, right? 38 plus 38, yep, 76. 180 minus 76 should be 94. 76. 104. I keep missing the freaking tens. So this angle is 104. But 104 minus 180 minus, okay, so that's 76. That's 76. 76 plus 76 is 154, right? I just did that. 52, sorry. And then 180 minus 152. So that's A is 28. Oh, that was tough. Okay. But I do feel like my brain's getting reused, so that's good. Parallel lines. When a line cuts a pair of parallel lines, all acute angles are equal and all obtuse angles are equal. So that was something that we saw half demonstrated on 11 and 12, but never mind that never happened. Some people remember F angles and Z angles. So that's just a way to remember that these two are equal and these two are equal. Okay. Let's do this. But I always remembered like this little intersection anyway. It's kind of the same. Rather than doing that with Z and F angles, so like these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. So A is 72. 2. B is 180. I want to say 92. Yeah, 92, right? 180 minus 82. Yeah, 98, sorry. Three, that's 80. That's one's easy. Four is 74. That one's easy. 5 is 86. 6 is 180. 82, right? 180 minus 92 is 88. Excuse me, so that's 88 degrees. Okay, my brain is very rusty, especially on the spot calculations. Ooh, being daring, are we? 180 minus 95 should be what? 85? No, 90, no, 85, 85, right? Yeah. So x is 85, y is 50. 8. Parallel goes this way. So these two angles should be the same. I'm going to cheat. A is 87 and B is 74. 9. Man, all these 180 to minus something something. Minus 77 would be... Minus 77 would be... Give me a second, 103, right? C is 103, and then A is 180 minus 115. Let me try and do this at the top of my head rather than calculator, because that's what I'm trying to practice. 75, right? 65, damn it. 10. 2 parallel lines. Something like that. So B is 42. And then A is 68. Becoming more and more weird now. I mean, not really. Y is 65, because that's the easy one. And then Z is 50. 12. What the hell is this? It's an intersect. Interesting. Let's get the easy one. C is 50. A is 180 minus 125. So that's 55. Whoops. Nice, 55. And then that would be 105. 180 minus 105 would be 75. So B is 75, because that made a triangle. Okay. Next, quadrilaterals and regular polygons. Some of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Yep, know that. Let's see if there's anything that I'm missing. It's the proof. Yep. Because a quadrilateral is just 2 triangles pretty much. 2 straight lines meet at a vertex. A shape with straight line sides is called a polygon. Regular polygon has all equal sides and angles. For example, a square is a regular quadrilateral. Okay, let's do this. Is the numbers gonna render? There we go. $8,270 equals 182, 252, right? 82 plus 100 plus 70, 252. 360 minus 252 is 108. I want to say 252. There we go, 108. That was good. Mm-hmm. 360, 75 plus 145 is 220, right? 220 plus 90 is 310. So technically y should be 50, but let's make sure. Doing it off the top of my head says it's 50, but I want to make sure. There we go, it is 50 indeed. 360 m minus 113 plus 88 plus 83. That creates a z. I probably don't need the semicolon, but 383, that's 201, 204, I want to say, and then 360 minus 204 would have been 100, wait, what? 106? I'm not confident in this head calculation that I did. 76. So I got this calculation wrong, haven't I? That's 304. 113 plus 88, yeah, 201 plus 83. 284, that's why. And 76. Hey, at least I know how to get to the answer, I guess. That is a weird quadrilateral. I would have thought a V is actually a quadrilateral. 1790, so 270, right? Hey, Realm 18, it's been a long time. How have you been? Hope everything's all good, and Happy New Year since I've not mentioned it to you. Hope everything's all good, at least the last 12 days. 90, yep. Yep, okay. Yeah, I'm not that stupid. Good. Good, I didn't need a calculator for that. What the hell? Surely there's more than 4 questions. I see a weird behemoth coming up. Wow. Okay. Figure out A first. So A is going to be 360 minus 88, 667. 88 plus 86 would be 174. 174 plus 167 would be 251, I want to say. 251. 88 plus 86 plus 6, 7. 241, damn it. Keep missing by weird tens for some reason. It's the whole point of this stream, but still. I feel very dumb that I can't do this basic maths in my head. I need to use a calculator, but that is what calculators are for. 136 minus 241 would be 119, is it? Yep, 119. Let's double check if everything's good. 360, 88 plus 86 plus 67. Yep, 109. That looks good. And then B. B would be 180 minus 180 minus 86 plus 119. 180 minus 119, like that. So what's this? This is, gosh. 94, and then this is 61, right? 108 minus 86, 94, good. 180 minus 119 is 61, good. Add them together, it would be 155. Good. And then 180 minus 155 would be 25. So B is 25. 180 minus 155. There we go. Okay, brain's still kind of working. What is this? C is 180 minus 360 minus 130, 50, 70. So that's 80. $50, $250. Yep, 250. 360 minus 250 is 110. Yep. 180 minus that is 70, so C is 70 degrees. Whoops, C equals 70 degrees. And then D would be 180 minus 70 plus 180 minus 130, which equals 250, 170, 50, 120, 60 degrees. Okay, that one I don't need to check. I'm pretty sure that's right. Oh, what the heck? Rectangular octagon. O is the center. There is 8, so there's 360 divided by 8. I can't maths. What's that? 46, is it? And then 180 minus 46 is 84 divided by 2 is 42, I want to say. That was just hit math. Let's double check. Divided by 8. Yep, 45. What an idiot. 45. So my hit math is all wrong. So it's 45. Divided by 2. Whoops. 180 minus 45. 135 divided by 2. B is 67.5. I will be back in 2 seconds. Yeah, I'm back. Okay. Exercise 8. That is a lot. Feel like exercise 8 might be where we end. As in, like, we solve this, and that's the end of the stream. Okay. 1 x equals 158, 180. Is it 22? But is it right? No. I couldn't add 68 and 70 together properly. So 42, right? What the f... Yep. 2 is... $70. 70 plus 42 is 112. 112, 180 minus 112 is 68, right? Nice. Z equals 180. Z's 100. Let's just double check. 41 plus 59 is 41, not 40. 59 is, yep, 100. So that's at 80. So that's 100. Don't need a calculator for that. E is 73. At least they had some easy ones. 5 is 120. At least they have some easy ones. 6 is 52. 7. Oh. 360, 300, 300, 100. At least they have some easy ones. A is 70, B is 60. X is 58. Y is 99, right? 180 minus 71, 109. Keep missing the tens when I'm doing the math off the top of my head for some dumb reason. This is why I really needed this. 180 minus 132. Top of my head first. 180 minus 132. 48, right? Yep. 132 divided by 2 is... Oh, that's how I do this stupid calculation rather than actually finding out this angle first, because yeah, because it's the same anyway. 32 divided by 2 is 66, right? Yep. $11. What in the bloody world is this? That's 50. So it's 130 divided by 2, which is 65. Right? 180 minus 50 is 130 divided by 2 is 65. Good. Because that angle is 50. So 180 minus 50 is 130, and then 130 divided by 2. 12. Okay. 75. E is 140 divided by 2, so that's 70. F is 75 plus 75 is 150, so 30. 75 plus 75 is 150, yep, so 30. $13. Oh boy, more and more. 180 minus 36 would be 140, 144 divided by 2 would be 72. Let's just double check. 180 minus 36, 144 was right. Divided by 2, 72. Yep, that was right. X equals 72. What the heck? How is this and this meant to be the same triangle anyway? So y is also 36 then. $14. Parallelograms. Let's beat out the easy ones first. B is 72. 7240 equals 112. 180 minus 180 minus 112 would be 78. 68. So C is 68. Therefore, A is also 68. What the heck is this? Huh? How do you... What? I'm so confused. You're saying all of these three have the same... But there can't be. The fuck do you mean? Because an equilateral triangle always has 60 as a degree, or else it doesn't make sense. Because that's the only way you can get 180, with all the sides having equal lengths. Huh? Am I the only one that's been confused in this question, or is this question really dumb? And the only angle they give you here is this, the 44. Did I miss something? I'm pretty sure. What the heck? Yeah, the only thing they give you about triangles is that they add up to 180. Everything that point goes to a point is 360. Everything that goes to a line is 180. Yeah, that all sounds about right. Yeah, they do it even here. The triangle is isosceles, so angle RPQ equals X. Angle RQP, so this equals X. Yeah, they do say that. Then how does this work? How the f do you have this, and this all have the same length? Is this just a misprint of this and this being equal, and then this and this meant to be equal? This is a fucked up question. It's either a misprint or someone's been high on something. What the actual bloody... This makes no sense. It's not just me, right? This question doesn't make sense. I'm gonna make this into a short or something. Like, this question doesn't make sense. How do you have a triangle, two triangles in fact, a triangle inside a triangle that has 3 equal distance to each other, and the triangle inside the triangle also has the same distance. This question is bonkers. This question is bonkers. Is it meant to say these two are the same length and then these two are the same length? because they all have one lines, which means they are all the same line. This and this should have had two lines, or this and this should have had two lines. Right now it's saying all these four lines are the same length, which this is invalid then, because with this, if these three sides are all the same, it should be 60. There is no two ways about that. And then if these two lines are the same length, what the I am so confused in this question. This question is messed up. Whoever wrote this is either high on something, or they just misprinted the lines. The only logical thing that I can think is that these two are meant to be the same length, and these two are meant to be the same length. Because there is no way in hell where all these four lengths are the same, and that angle becomes 44 degrees. I don't think that's physically possible at that point. This isn't going to be the most accurate drawing, but I'm going to try creating that thing. Let's make it like 3 centimeters, so I can draw it on this little piece of paper. 3 centimeters. Protractor. $44 degrees, right? So that's 136, right? Gonna check if my math is right. 180 minus 44, 136, correct? Again, this isn't the most accurate drawing, but still. You want this to be 3 centimeters, and then you can't have 3 centimeters. You can't have 3 centimeters because that's mathematically not fucking possible. That is mathematically not fucking possible with that angle being 44, and these three sides cannot be the same angle. I mean, same length. This question's fucked up. This question's absolutely fucked up. I'm not even going to answer that. Like, I think I know what they want to do, and I'm pretty sure that means they wanted these two sides to be equal length. Because then it kind of makes sense. No, it still doesn't really make sense. About 2.5. Let's just assume there's 2.5. Because then it should look like this. This drawing is not representative of this drawing. I'm not even gonna answer this question. This question's wrong. This question's wrong on so many different levels. Screw that number 15. That's a stupid question. Okay, 60, 60, 180. That was my rant over. 180 minus 66 is 54. 54 divided by 2 is 27, right? 66. I am so wrong. 104 divided by 2, 57. Oh, I'm right. Or did I say 52? Anyway. These two are 57 degrees each. (180 minus 57) is 123, right? (180 divided by... Yep, 123. 123 divided by 2. 123 divided by 2 is 623 divided by 2. Is 61.5. Let's double triple check on that calculation. 56 divided by 2. 180 divided by 57 divided by 2. There we go. $70. 70 is 140. So that angle there is 40 as well. 70, 50, 120, 40. What? Huh? 70, right? That's 140. 180 minus 140 is 40, right? 70 plus 70. 180 minus 140 is 40, yes. 70 plus 50 is 112. 112 plus 40 is 160, so C is 20. Okay. At least that one wasn't weird. 18. X equals 62. How is that 90? Anyway, my rant about the shapes in this textbook, I'm over it. 90 plus 62, 152. 180 minus 152 would be 28, right? 180, 90 plus 62. Yep. 19. These two parallel. And to 6. What the shit? Is the intersects there just to put me off? 180 minus 58 is 122, right? Divided by 2, so these two angles are 62. So no, because I'm still missing this angle. What the frickin' bonkers is this one? I'm gonna draw this somewhere else. That's 58. These two same angle. This is 85. That's the angle we're looking for. Okay, got it. So, what was that? 61. 61 plus 185 is 61 plus 185. 146, right? 61 plus 85. Yep, 146. 180 minus 146 is... Oh, my brain is breaking. 34. There we are. Setting was 34. How much better do I have in this tablet? Apparently an hour. Let's go. Let's zoom through the rest. 20. Oh, what is these weird parallelogram stuff? It looks so weird. Like, I need to extend out some of the drawings is the thing. To figure out which one this is the line that intersects and where I can get like the 180 from. Anyway, 120, 122, 122, 180 minus 122 should be 56, no, 58 I want to say. 58, right? Yep, 58. So that angle is 58. That's 58. Like, does that even those equilateral triangle even have any sort of meaning in this context? I don't think so. But these are two parallelograms, and then it is like that, and that's 58 degrees. Then this angle here should be I probably need it. 58 degrees. This and this. That's 102. It's 102. Oh, that was a trick question. Right? Because this angle here, if these two are parallelograms, and then you go through like that, I'm not crazy, right? I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unwell. Right? Two parallelograms. It goes like this. That's 102. So these two angles are the same, and these two angles are the same, right? Oh, what an idiot, because... No. Because it's not a straight line anymore. Wait, is it not 58? It's 58, right? Because if I draw that out... Say these two are the same. This is X. And it's like that. That's 20. That's 102. That's 58. Because if I do that, that's 58. And this should be 58 as well. And these two are a isosceles triangle, so X is 58, okay. Nice. If I had an answer sheet, it would help a lot, but I'm pretty sure that's right. 21. Parallelograms. I need to extend out the drawing to actually understand what the frick is going on. This is 3x 100 and... oh, what the hell, bots, get the fuck out of here. Go eat. Go. You are gone for good. That should be 60, that should be 90. Sorry, 120. Idiot. But what's Y? Given that's 72. 120, 60, 180, 180 plus 72 would be 100, 232, right? $180 plus 72. Yep, 252. So 120, whoops, 252. 360 minus 252. Can I get my head maths in this game? $108, is it? Nice. That's 108. What's the parallelogram for? Is it just for these two, I guess? Because then this is a triangle up here. So that's 60. That is 108. That's 72. And that is 72 plus 60 is 132, right? Yep. 180 minus 132 would be 38. 48, what an idiot. Anyway. Okay, there we go. 22. A is 130 divided by 2. 65, right? 130 divided by 2. A is 65, B is 70, 70, 140. So 40 degrees. I swear something is weird. Anyway. 23. Parallelogram strikes again. Man, I feel like an idiot. Hmm? Oh, it's the Y that we need to calculate. That's in a weird position. X should be 49, right? Two parallelograms going across. Two parallelograms going across like this. This angle should equal that angle, so that's 49. So difficult. 49. This angle. Why do you exist here? Where do I use you? Oh, my one brain cell was getting absolutely destroyed today. I can't draw what they've drawn here. Alright. That's Y. That's X. What is this for? And this angle. Is it meant to say this is 100? Is this 180? Is this a straight line? Now I'm like second guessing everything. Because if it is, then that's 70. That's 49. So 119, right? Yeah, 119. So Y. I'm guessing that's what this thing's for? Because it is a triangle, and that's, you know, that seems like a straight line. 180 minus 119 is what, 61? Yep, so Y is 61. 24 plus 23. B is the easier one. B is 40. A is... what the fuck? What's up with all these weird mathematically impossible shits? Is it possible? Is this right? How does... Can this work? I mean, I guess it could. Yeah, maybe it can. Okay. Maybe it can. A is 60, B is 40. I think it can work. Maybe it can, okay. It looks so weird. At least this one looks geometrically, like, right. This one doesn't even geometrically look right as a thing that I'm keep talking about. Because essentially this is the same question as this. And at least they made it so, you know, it's a quadrilateral shape when they cut this and this in a manner where the two are the same length. Because that one's a triangle, and it's saying there's another triangle inside a triangle in here where the length of this inner triangle here line is equal to that, which is, I am 99% sure, is geometrically impossible. So, okay. Anyway, 24. Okay, rant over in that other one. 25 to 28 are more difficult. 25, the diagram shows two equal squares joined to a triangle. Find the angle X. Interesting. Some of these questions, do I assume that these two squares, like this and this, is the same angle? I mean, length. Must be, right? Because you can't have a triangle with like looking like, well, you can, but I mean the question's not clear, so that's the problem. You can technically have this and say what's the angle of this. It doesn't look like that, so I'm assuming that these two are the same lengths across. So that's 60, 25, 68 is 136, right? Yep. 180 minus 136, 44. So this is 44. These two are 90 degrees each. 180 plus 44 is 224, right? Yep. 360 minus, whoops, 360 minus 200. Oh, frick, what was the 68 plus 68, 136. 180 minus 136 is 44. That angle is 44. Plus 180, because these two are right angles. So 44 plus 180 was 244. 224. 360 minus 224 is 136. Okay. Find the angle between... Get out of here. Come on, render. Find the angle A between the diagonals of parallelogram. Jeez, what the heck is this? 56, 56. 24. 24 plus 56 is what? 70, 80, right? So this is 100, so A is 80. 56 plus 24, 80, yep. 100, and yep, 100, and yeah. So the A is 80, okay. The diagram shows cross-section of a roof. P, Q, and RS are horizontal and ST are vertical. Work out the angles X, Y, and Z. What the heck is this? P, Q, and RS are horizontal and ST is vertical. So you're saying it's a parallelogram with a straight line that goes through. So that there is 90. Wait, I'll need to draw this out as well. I feel like, I don't know. It's very, a lot of, what is it? High school math material do seem to have like a trick question up their sleeve, so to say. And I'm not sure if that's like good practice or bad practice in the end. So X is easy, which is 180 plus 180? 180 minus 80 plus 35. I want to try calculating in my head first. So that's 115. 180 minus 115 should be 65, right? Nice. So let's put a new piece of paper. Draw it again. Like that. That's 80. That's 35. And this goes like this. That's 90. That's 65. So X is 65. Y is 35 because of maths. Well, because it's a parallelogram. And therefore Z should be 90 plus 35 is 115. So also 65, right? 80 minus 115, 65. Okay, there we go. The last exercise of the day. 28. Given that AB and AC is the same and DA is parallel to EC, find X. Interesting. Draw this out as well. I think this one's a little more straightforward though, compared to that weird question. (42) X 35. That should be 35 as well. 42 plus 35 is 107. 180 minus 107 is 73, right? 73 here. Whoops. Let's just double check. 35 plus 42, 77. 77? Jeez, my math is horrible. 180 minus 77 is 103. So 180 minus, so that's also 77, right? And then 77 plus 77 is 154. Yep. 180 minus 154 is 154. 180 minus 154 is 62, 27, 26, right? Yeah, 26. Okay. X equals 26. Easy. I still can't believe this question. I need answers to this question. I need some sort of answers to this question. Is this an impossible math question? Is this an impossible math question? So by the look of the diagram, it's saying there's a triangle within a triangle where this side, this side, this side, and this side all have matching sides because they all have one line drawn. And if I'm not crazy, that means all those sides should be the same length. But given that a triangle, an equilateral triangle, will always have 60 degrees within the angles that's confined to, this being 44 should be impossible. The only explanation that I can think is that this part is misdrawn and these two should have had two lines to say this is an equilateral triangle that's within an equilateral triangle, an isosceles, sorry. It's an isosceles within a different isosceles that has these two sides same. The thing is, one, this drawing doesn't seem to be drawn to scale, so that doesn't help it at all. And two is this notation here also having one line and these two having one line doesn't make sense. I am pretty sure that this seems to be some sort of misprint, or else I do not see this making sense. I need answers to this. Anyway, rant of the day is that this stupid question that just blew my mind off. I will be back in the afternoon to play some games and be brain dead rather than actually doing math. Okay. Thanks for anyone who came along. I will be heading out. Bye 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 bye.